Let's fill out the Ohio Mobile Home Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the mobile home and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the mobile home, the make and model, and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the mobile home. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties. And it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what you need to know. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. The buyer of the motor vehicle must sign the application. And that application is executed by the seller and filed with the clerk by the buyer. The document also requires the clerk's signature and must be sealed with the clerk's seal. Next up, notarization. The bill of sale must be sworn to before a notary public, or another officer who is empowered to administer oaths. The buyer, specifically, must swear to the document. Now for the certificate of title. You'll need to file an application for a certificate of title within 30 days after the assignment or delivery of the vehicle. The certificate of title must be obtained in the name of the buyer. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.